Hi, it's Jo Karen Hudson. Just a quick review of the quotient rule before we start on division by a monomial. You have to use the quotient rule to be able to do this, so I'm just going to review through it very quickly. For any real numbers x and y with b not equal to 0, b to the x divided by b to the y is b to the x minus y. When we have division, we subtract the exponents. Simplify each expression. Write all answers with positive exponents. Now this is a simple subtraction problem. X to the fifth divided by x squared would be x to the 5 minus 2, which would be x to the third. Remember, x to the fifth means I'm multiplying x times x. I have 5 of those x's in the numerator. X squared means I have 2 of them. If I cancel out what they have in common, you see that there are 3 more in the numerator than there are in the denominator. Example 2. Now we have to remember we can either use the quotient rule. I prefer to rewrite this with a positive exponent. Remember that x to the negative 7 is the same as 1 over x to the 7th. So I'm going to change this to 1 over x to the 7th. Now x to the 5th is already in the denominator, so I'll have x to the 5th, which would give me 1 over x to the 12th. 8 to the 10th divided by 8 to the negative 3. We have a negative exponent in the denominator, so I have 8 to the 10th. I'm going to let it rise to the top so it will become positive, 8 to the third, and then I can use my product rule, which says when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. So I'll have 8 to the 13th. And one last example. This is just a quick review of the quotient rule and some of the exponent rules. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now I want to do x to the 4th divided by x to the 10th. That one is bottom heavy. The x's are going to land in the bottom. Let's see. It's bottom heavy, so we do 10 subtract 4, so it'll be x to the 6th in the denominator. Remember, that's like having 4 x's in the numerator and 10 of them in the denominator. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so that when you cancel out what they have in common, there will be 6 left in the denominator. It's bottom heavy. Y to the 7th over to y to the 3rd. This one is top heavy. The y's will land in the top. 7 take away 3 is 4, so it will be y to the 4th in the numerator. That concludes this little review video on exponents. We need to review this in order to do division by a monomial. Thank you and have a wonderful day.